Hello, friends. I'm Sawan Kumar, and welcome back to Growing Your Business Digitally with me. And today we are going to talk about the benefits that digital marketing brings on the table and why you should not, and you cannot be ignoring digital marketing for your business. If you are in business in 2021, you should be marketing your products or your services or yourself digitally. Yes, you should be. You have to. You have no other option to not do this, because if you want to stay in business, if you want to get new customers, if you want to get new sales, you have to do digital marketing. Why I say you so? I'll be proving that right in a while. So, in 2020, the world saw the worst pandemic. And what did the world get to learn from this pandemic? What changed the most? The way people did business, the way people communicated, the way people spent their day. Everything went from the normal way to the digital way. Every aspect of their life went digital, be it communicating with their relatives, communicating with their friends, studying, hospital, medicine, doctors. Everything went digital. So what is are you waiting for? What is your business waiting for? Are you still thinking that digital will not work for you, or because it did not work in the past for you, you still think that it will not work for you in the future? Then you are wrong. You are wrong, and you must and you should figure out how to make digital strategy work for you. It is quite possible that in the past it might have not worked for you, but you will have to figure out how it will work for you and what mistakes you made the last time which should not be repeated, so that it works for you. It has to work for you. If you apply the right strategies, if you do digital marketing in the right way, digital marketing has to work for you. It has to work for you. There is no other alternative that you have today other than digital marketing that you should be doing. Why I say so? Let us start getting into that. Number one is, it is the most cost effective way of doing marketing today. It is the most cost effective way of doing marketing today. Why I say so? Having a billboard, how much does that cost? How much does having a billboard cost? Maybe thousands of rupees, or maybe a few $1,000s. And what are you getting from that? How many relevant leads, how many relevant people are actually seeing that billboard today? Everybody is inside their mobile. Everybody is always looking into their mobile. Maybe when they are driving, or when they are walking, or they are doing anything, they are only on their mobile today. They are not looking at the sky or looking for the billboards. And even if they do, how many of them are relevant for you? How many of them are actually looking to buy your product or your services? How many are out looking for your services or your products? Not really much, not really many. So if you see the cost per per lead, or if you see the cost per relevant person who sees your ad, is so high, that you will just understand how good and how cheap digital marketing is. Because in digital marketing, when you are doing digital marketing, you are showing your billboard, your digital billboard, to only that person who is eager to, or who wants a similar service that you are selling. So number one, you are showing the ad to exactly that person who is looking for similar service, and the cost of showing that billboard to that person is in a few cents maybe. Not thousands of dollars, but a few cents. So why on earth would a business choose to ignore this? So it saves your money a lot and big time. You just need to understand what right strategy works or would work for your business. Number two is, it gives you the most measurable reports ever. With digital marketing, you get the most measurable reports that you want for your business. The kind of people who interacted with your ads, who interacted, who did not interact, who interacted, at what level they interacted, what kind of mobile operating system, what kind of operating system, what kind of device they use, what internet service provider they used, what demographic they were from, what geography they were from, what was their interest, what was their age, they were a boy, it was a boy or a girl. Every single thing you get to know about when you do an ad digitally. So would you want to ignore that? If you are selling a kid product, you would only want to target somebody who is a kid or is a parent to the kid. So why would you go anywhere else? Why would you show your ad to everybody? You will not. And when you are able to measure who is actually seeing your ad, how are people responding, are people responding or not responding, should you be changing your billboard, should you be changing the design of the billboard, should you be changing the message on the billboard, you can do everything with the click of a button, and then again measure the matrices and see how things are improving or getting better for you. So you can measure. It is the most important thing that you can do when you are doing digital marketing. Third is build your audience genuinely. You can provide some good services, you can provide a lot of value added content, value added services to your clients, your users, and your audience grows organically. You can find genuine and organic audience for your products or your services, and that is the best thing to do in digital marketing. If you have a tribe of 1,000 or 10,000 people who are interested in knowing what you do, what services you provide, and what value you are adding, your job is done as a business owner. Number four, consumers are just starting their online journey. Yes, a lot of consumers are starting their online journey. People who were not comfortable transacting online, people who were not comfortable being online, people who were not used to of searching for things online. Everybody has come online, and most of them are first time users. So it is a real good opportunity to tap all of them, to be in front of them when they are looking for you, and make them your customers. Yes, this is the time to do that. And number five is you should be going for SEO, that is search engine optimization. This is the most important thing, because an ad would only run when you put money into it, but an SEO would work even if you're not putting your money into it. So you have to make sure that everything is on your website or on your digital business platform, everything is search engine optimized, so that Google or any search engine searches your content, searches your website, and gives appropriate results to the people who are looking for you or similar products or services like you offer. So go for a good SEO service as well. So the bottom line is that you should not be, and you cannot ignore digital marketing today in 2021 and the years to come, because this is where the world is today. This is where the world is today, and if you are not yet here, you are missing on a huge opportunity. You are missing on your business. Be ready to close your business down in the next 6 months or 1 year of time if you are not going digital. Yes, you need to take it that seriously. If you are not coming online today, you might have to very soon close down your business, because your customers, your clients are looking for you online, and if you are not online, they will see you as an outdated business, and they will not like to talk to you, interact with you, and you will be missing a lot. So do you want to miss that much? I don't think you would love to. So let us get onto this let us get on this journey of digitizing our business, digitizing our marketing processes, and get a lot of digital sales. Wish you all the very best from me, Sawan Kumar, in getting your business digital, getting a lot of digital sales, leads, and everything that you want to offer to your product, to your customers. Wish you all the best once again. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.